Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyechi. So are you looking for products to help you repair your skin barrier? You may have overused skin lightening products or skin bleaching products, and in return this has damaged your skin barrier. Or maybe you are being overly exposed to sun, and this also in return has damaged your skin barrier. So listen, I've got you covered. Stick around. Let's talk about what exactly skin barrier is and the products, as well as the products you can use to repair your skin barrier. So if this is the type of content you want to watch, sweetheart, do me a favor, subscribe down below if you haven't, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have questions. So without further ado, let us dive into what we have for today's video. So first of all, we're going to look at what exactly skin barrier means before we dive right into the products and the ingredients you should be looking out for when purchasing products for skin barrier repair. Okay, so skin barrier is the outer surface of the skin that includes the stratum corneum and the outmost layer of the epidermis. And this is composed of lipid cells and natural moisturizing factors like amino acids and fatty acids. If I look down, please note that I'm looking at my notes, and that's all. Okay. So what exactly does the skin barrier do? The major function of a skin barrier is to protect your skin against free radicals, environmental pollutions, and a whole lot more. In addition, it also helps to retain moisture and makes your skin feel moisturized. It helps your skin to naturally moisturize itself. So let's look at the symptoms that shows your skin barrier may have been damaged or broken. So number one, we have irritation. Have you ever been in a situation where you use a particular skincare product and your body starts feeling tingly, like it's burning? That is an irritation going on there. That means your body just doesn't like that product at that moment. So when it comes to my own skin, itchiness is another symptom. That is what I have experienced. My whole body begins to itch me right when I'm coming out from the bathroom. Like I just finished showering and my whole body is itching me. That is another sign. Even though there are other causes, other health-related causes of itchiness, when your skin barrier is damaged, it could also present itself in this manner. You have blemishes, you have dryness, sensitive skin. All of a sudden, your body is now oversensitive. If someone touches you with a dirty hand, you get rashes around that area, itchy and all that. Your skin becomes oversensitive to sunlight, oversensitive to your normal skincare products, oversensitive. You have a burning sensation when lotions and creams are applied. I mentioned that earlier. So another thing you have to consider is that the signs may vary based on your skin type. We're going to look at what exactly you should avoid so that your skin barrier will not be damaged or broken. Number one, reduce irritants. Protect your skin by wearing sunscreen every time. For those of us in Western Africa, I don't think our medical doctors or dermatologists has emphasized the use of sunscreen. We don't know this, but we are always looking out for the latest lightening product or the latest product that will give us a flawless skin. And nobody tells us that sunscreen is number one when it comes to protecting your skin and also maintaining your results. So you should definitely look into protecting your skin by wearing sunscreen and cutting down exfoliation, stopping too much exfoliation, and stop using products that contain benzyl peroxide. That is why we have to educate ourselves and avoid essential oils. Some essential oils are just a no-no. And also start using gentler products that are gentle for your skin type. And yeah, I think that's basically it. Avoid dry skincare alcohols. Some skincare products contain drying alcohols, and some of these alcohols are just a no-no. They are not good for the skin. Alright, so we are progressing. So now let's talk about the ingredients you should definitely look out for if you want to purchase a skincare product that would help you repair your skin barrier. So number one, you have to look out for products that contain hyaluronic acid. You also have to look out for products that have ceramides in them. You also have to look out for products that have high sunscreen to protect your skin from sun rays and sun damage. And you also have to look out for products that contain antioxidants and shea butter, dimethicone, glycerin, cocoa butter, and amino acids in them. So if you're going to the market or to the mall to get a product, make sure it has, if not all of these ingredients, at least certain ingredients I just mentioned here, because it is super vital and super important for the repair of your skin barrier. So glycerin, antioxidants, shea butter, dimethicone, cocoa butter, amino acids, hyaluronic acids, ceramides, and those are the ingredients you should look out for when purchasing a skincare product that will help you repair your skin. All right, so the moment we have all been waiting for, product recommendations, what to get to help us rebuild our skin barrier or repair our skin barrier. So number 1, we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Number 2, we have Neutrogena Deep Moisture that contains SPF 20. Again, you should be looking out for products that have SPF content in them and also contains either hyaluronic acid or dimethicone. So number 3, we have Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, which is for my skin type, sensitive skin. And we have Cerave Moisturizing Cream. We have Vani Moisturizing Cream, which is for sensitive skin also. And we also have Cleure Moisturizing Cream, Day Cream, for both dry and sensitive skin. I'm going to leave their pictures, all of their pictures, on the screen for you guys to see. And we have the Skin Fix Barrier Plus Peptide Cream. We also have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Fragrance Free. Again, you're looking for products that may not even contain fragrance at all, no perfumes, you're repairing your skin, you don't need alcohols, you don't need, and you know most fragrances contain alcohol in them. So yeah, we need to avoid this when we're trying to repair our skin barrier. So Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Cream with no fragrance. There's a particular Palmer's product that doesn't have perfume or fragrance in it. I am repeating myself so that you guys will not choose or get it all confused. All right, so number 9, we have Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Cream for dry skin. And we also have Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Cream. I'm going to leave that picture on the screen. And then we have, I think this is among the most common, Aveeno Moisturizing Body Lotion, which contains dimethicone in it. So you have to be looking out for your hyaluronic acids, your ceramides, your antioxidants, your shea butter, all those things, shea butter, all of them. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this video, and if you have any question, please, my love, definitely comment down below, let me know. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope this video to someone has been informative and also educative to them. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and support my channel to grow, so I'll be motivated to educate us on things we should know considering our skin and a whole lot more, because I'm learning, you're learning, and some of these things we've made mistakes. So see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.